Hello and welcome to Tech Gadgets. Today I'm going to review SJ Cam SJ6 Legend. It comes with 16 megapixel real 4K action camera with dual screen 2.0 touchscreen and with gyro stabilization. And it comes with external microphone supported remote control Wi-Fi waterproof underwater camera. So when it comes to 4K, it records 24 frames per second, and 2K it's 30 frames per second and 60 frames per second in full HD, and only 720p also you can record at 60 frames per second. And it comes with 166-degree adjustable wide angle and 2.5 aperture dual screen display, 2-inch touchscreen also. So let's see. I already unboxed this box. You can see this is the box. It comes over it, and there are a lot of stuff inside this box. I will explain what all they will give and what are the features. So this is the camera. So this is how it looks. So it comes in this waterproof casing. So to open this, you can open it from here. You can open it from here. So with single hand, now I can't open it. So the thing is that so after opening, you will have a touchscreen display. I will just switch it on, but that you will have a better idea regarding this. You can see, so this is how it looks. So I have recorded sample video in this. It comes in very good clarity, and have recorded some sound also. So the microphone is catching very good sounds, and it comes with touchscreen display as well. When you click on the settings, you will get to know about that. But right now it's locked in the case. So I will show you later. You can see this is the front cam, and it comes with dual display. So it is SJ6 Legend, and I will leave the link in the description to buy this cam. So this is one of the proven camera if you are a bike lover, and if you are a bike enthusiast, or if you want to buy a camera which is portable and which is very handy. So you can mount this to a tripod or whatever thing you want, the handy tripods. So by that gimbal, you can take it anywhere, and you can shoot like a DSLR also, because the clarity of this camera is very good. So it competes with GoPro Hero 5. GoPro Hero 5 is a little bit expensive when compared to SJ6 Legend. So both have their pros and cons. And when it comes to the what all the features this thing has is, it comes with wireless connection, and if you want remote control, you have to purchase it separately. And it doesn't come with internal memory card also. You have to purchase that one also separately. And with that remote, it looks like a watch. With that remote you can operate like taking a picture or taking videos also. And it is very good feature. When you are driving, you can operate it with one hand, and you can mount this camera to your helmet as well. And it comes with external microphone supported action camcorder with waterproof also, and it has advanced gyro stabilization distortion correction, designed to shoot wide angle videos and photos without the bulging look, as an excellent sports action camera. And no need to post processing the photos and videos with third party editor apps also. So it comes with everything, and it has a lot of features. And the battery capacity is 1000 milliamps. The battery is included in this, and the maximum support of SD card is 128 GB. So SD card you have to purchase it outside. So without the case, it weighs only 67 grams. And what all the package is included, they have given a lot in this. So the package is included one SG cam also, and it comes with a waterproof case. Just now I have shown this already. It's in the waterproof case, and a quick release buckle also. You can see the lot of stuff inside. It comes with a handlebar seat post mount as well, and it comes with flat adhesive mount, three-way pivot arm mounts, one frame mount, and universal camera tripod mount, and with 3M adhesive tapes also. And it comes with vertical quick release J hook bar and tripod mounts, and it comes with tripod mount adapter, cleaning cloths, there are a lot of stuff inside, and if you want touch from this also, they have given another thing. You can see here, touch back door. So with this also you can put it, and directly you can touch it when it is in waterproof case also. And it comes with stickers of SJ-Cam with the multi-language manual as well. So these are the stickers provided inside, and these are the cleaning cloths. So overall it's a good package with lot of stuff, and the charging cable and USB cable to transfer files. So hope that guys you like this video. So I will leave the link in the description to avail offer. You can get this camera for only 11,990. So this is very good camera. So after creating videos and shooting videos from this action camera, I will post videos separately. So hope that guys you like this video. Please comment and subscribe for my channel for more tech and auto related updates. Thank you.